Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely great if you are looking for some muscle recovery, you're looking to basically relieve some stiff muscles, or just overall relax. And it is a massage gun. So this was sent over by a company called RENPHO, and this is their active massage gun. Once you open it up, you're gonna get this nice little case. It's gonna keep all the parts and pieces in here that you need. Once you open up the case, you're naturally going to get some instructions, which we're gonna cover all the details in this video. You're gonna get two little spare rubber adapters in case they ever rip on the device itself. If you are traveling and you don't want to bring the case, they also do include a little bag here. You can simply utilize this instead of the case. I personally like the case. Then you're also going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This is how you charge up the battery on it. It does have a nice size battery, so you're going to be able to use this multiple times on a single charge. And there is also going to icon, it's going to tell you the percentage of battery life you have left every time you power it on, which is really, really nice. So as you can see, here is the device itself. I have kind of like the mintish green one here. The handle, very comfortable. It has like a soft coated rubber here, which also is non-slip. So it works very well, especially when you're utilizing it, if you're using it yourself or if somebody else is using it on you. It's very, very comfortable to hold. You got the fan aspect on the front side. And then on the front here is where you're gonna put on the different adapters. So this comes with 5 different adapters. You're gonna first get this little cushion one. This is great for big, large muscle groups. I actually really love this one. And because of the cushion, it helps, I find it more comfortable using. This is the most intense one, which is a bullet-shaped one here. This is getting into your knots, or if you're wanting to use this on your feet or whatnot. It's, like I said, it's a lot more tense, help really breaking up those knots. Then you're gonna have the little hard flat head one. Once again, great for larger muscles. You can use this on your thighs, calves, etc. Then you have the little kind of ball. This is also larger muscles, so think your thighs, your arm kind of muscles, whatnot. Once again, this has like a soft coated top as well of it, kind of a foam top. And then you have your little fork looking one here, and this is what's good for going down between your spine, so that way you get into all those joints without hitting your actual spine itself. Now, how you put them on, super easy to put on. One of the nice aspects I like about them is they screw in. So they're nice and secure when adding them on. They can't just pop off. You don't like push them in, they just screw in, and so they're nice and tight, and when it's going, it works really, really well. Now, this is a 10 millimeter percussion massager, so that's kind of like the depth of it, which is basically equivalent of like getting 45 pounds of pressure, but it has 5 different speeds as far as running it. So you'll be able to find like the lower speed will be more relaxing, the higher speed will be more intense. How to turn it on, just simply kind of hold down the power button here. It will turn on. Once again, like I said, it'll show you the battery life, and then you're gonna get an L0 that's basically off. Simply tap it, it'll go to L1 and turn on. Now, one of the things you'll notice, this is quite quiet of a device. It's not very loud because it's got all the brushless motors in here. It's very quiet, which is a nice thing when you're utilizing it. It's not disturbing or anything like that. It's not like it's gonna bother you over the sound of anything. Then you can press it again. You got L2, L3, L4, L5. So this is the loudest it gets in the most intense setting. Then once you're ready to go back to L1, simply press it again and it'll go back to the beginning. To turn it off, you're just simply going to hold down the power button and it will turn off for you. And then you're good to go and put it away, which is another great thing about it. However, it will turn off automatically after 10 minutes, which is a nice little feature. It helps with keep the motor nice and cool, but it also lets you know how long you've been using it or your various sessions, so you don't basically use it too long. But overall, give you an idea of the size of this thing. It's about 7.5 inches tall. It's about 5 3/4 inches long, depending on your little attachments here. That's kind of to just the end part. And then it's about 2.5 inches wide. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great massage gun, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.